Thanks God we found the 4 months because we were all the way down before. Here we go. That's where we actually see. Right, so good morning ladies and gentlemen. So basically where we are is on the train to Chiang Mai. Look at the sail of the train. Good morning. That's my bed. How's your air conditioning? Well, it's working quite well actually. Now we're going to say hello. Yes, we're going to say hello to Vicky.
Good morning. How are you going?
So who is your friend?
My friend that is
William.
William.
Hello.
Holland.
William, you spent all night?
No, actually
Lampan.
We have to go all the way up.
And this guy, listen, this guy is living up here.
It's living right there. So Chiang Mai is... Buongiorno Perry.
Come stai? Tutto bene?
Tutto bene, where are you?
Casa? Mi gustas tu. Mi gustas tu.
Me gusta la muchacha, me gustas tú.
Mi gusta Rio, mi gustas tu.
There we go, that's Perry's house in the Pie by American Pie, Chai, Kwai, Try. Here we are in Pie. With us once again Into, the French motherfucker. And here we are from Telephone Nokia once again with our Ugo Belan.
Good morning everyone, good morning everyone. Just to know that Telephone Nokia now is cooperating with Thai TV, and since 1 month we are doing very well. So today I would like to introduce to all of you pie, which pronounce pie like American pie, or bye, or good pie, bye. So here we go my friends, we're going to have a nice big track.
I think we've just seen a snake.
What's that? Where is it?
And what to say, ladies and gentlemen, we're still trekking today on the way to the waterfalls. We're all thinking maybe they're gonna be big, maybe they're gonna be small. I tell you what, if the waterfalls are like a shitty piece, we're all gonna be very pissed off.
That's right.
So, around us then, I'm gonna ask guys around us what they think about this 1.5 walk already we did, okay? Back on track. So here we go. As you can see, the water is really clean. They've been putting our feet all the way. So first of all, going to the left, here we go. We got our first competitors in the running waterfalls. Hi.
Hello.
Hey, what do you think about the 1.5 walking we just done?
There's water. I'm happy.
What are you eating?
Litchi. Water litchi.
Oh, can I see it? Let me see in camera. Something's fit. No, the tape is running out. No. Right guys, what a mess. Look where we are. We are right on top of a mountain. And it's streaming as well. Mickey. Fuck yeah.
My God, the river it just comes up.
The guys are, the river comes up. We were in the middle of the river.
On the leukemia.
Fucking hell. This is Blair Witch Project. We're on the middle of the river, and it was nice, and suddenly all came down very fast. It was a mess, and lucky we found these monks on the left. We didn't find one person on the way. Exactly when we were in danger, we found the monks. We are all a little bit like nervous at the moment. We don't really know what to do. We're gonna wait and let's see. I don't know. Well, I hope to see you again.
Incredibile, incredibile.
Porca troia, porca
Incredibile.
troia. Look where we are.
Incredibile.
Look where we are, guys.
Incredibile.
I can't believe.
Non mi fa parlare.
I can't believe. Look.
Look at me. Oh. From a nice excursion in the afternoon.
We are not dead. We are not dead.
We found the monks!
Non mi puoi parlare alla camera.
Basta, parli sempre te la camera ogni volta, in 10 minuti ogni volta. Posso mai parlare, non posso mai riprendere che ti metti in mezzo. Anche in mezzo alla giungla. Aspetta 2 secondi.
Porca troia, io devo dire qualcosa alla camera, devi far parlare.
Okay guys, the guys are there. It's a mess. For me, I'm going with the monks. Well, from TV Jungle.
TV Jungle. It's always, I was
Mickey
always the
and
one to
Luca.
talk. Telepanocchia,
Luca.
Telejango,
Mickey and
and me the cameraman. Thank you.
Mickey, we're alive!
Thanks God.
It's good to be alive.
Thanks to Mark. Thanks to Mark. Look at the Mark. He's so happy. He's so happy. Thank you. Thank you. Couple cap. I got. It's not finished though. It's not finished.
Leave, 3 minutes left, 3 minutes left. Let's see. 3 minutes left. Guys! Yeah guys, this is very important.
Perry just comes out from the water.
Perry! Woo! Whoa! You got saved, guys. Now, move it. So nice. I will pray now. You can't believe how much I will pray. I will pray. Because this is destiny, you know, this is strong, but you know, it's actually exactly. Guys, the situation is getting quite hard because the water is getting very high. Thanks God we found the 4 months because we were all the way down before. We were almost down there, and it was just a little bit of water. And suddenly, Michael, the other guy, saw the water coming down. It was very high, so we ran all the way up. And suddenly, you can't believe the first guys we saw were monks. We didn't see one person in 2 hours trekking by ourselves, and the monks are here and they're just saving us. Wow, well, it's late afternoon now, and well, I hope you know that now we're gonna go to the temple, and well, this is very amazing. I mean, it could have been very, very, very hard, very, very bad, but we're alive. That's good. I'm happy. We're all happy. Now we're just waiting for Enzo, Sonia, and Michael to come. Faithful, faithful. Guys, you remember Sue when she said that the guys did the trekking and then they finished in the river? The story? Come on, guys! Woo! Finally, we did it. We made it. Yes! I finished. Well, it's still recording, but I don't know what it's recording. Well, we made it, guys.